We need to assemble the locomotive. That's all. Let's fuel the locomotive. Push the pump to fill the locomotive with water. Keep up the good work. Let's inspect the locomotive before it leaves for the journey. Let's wash the locomotive. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. You're doing really great. Let's assemble a mail car. Ready. Let's load safes and letters into the mail car. Amazing! Let's load the necessary items into the car. Let's wash the mail car. Let's assemble the train. Go on. Don't stop. The train is ready. Now passengers can go on a journey. Well done! The construction of the railroad and station is complete. Now it's ready for traveling and transporting goods.